Welcome back, everyone. So in the previous video, we walked through change point detection or topic change point detection. And in this video, we used NLTK library and NLP to grab the topics and map when the change points were. Today, I want to go over using this exact same formula with the LLama2-7B model. What we're going to do here is not necessarily a lot of NLP, but some prompt engineering. Let's run through it. Here, I load up the model that I already have running locally. Here's the text that we're going to pass to it. It's basically a story about a guy named Alex. Starts out in a small city and moves out to live his dreams as a businessman and entrepreneur. So here's our initial prompt. We're going to run through and see what we get back. And we're done. So here we have what you see is the topics that were extracted, the topic changes. Of course, it repeated itself, topic changes, topic. It didn't pull back what we had specified in the prompt to provide a sequential list of where the location of each of the topic changes. When something like this happens, the realm of where prompt engineering becomes highly relevant, but I just wanted to run this to show that you don't actually have to implement NLP to do topic extraction or change point detection. You can actually leverage these large language models to do a lot of the groundwork for you. Even though you still, once again, have to do some prompt engineering. Let's look at an example of a few-shot prompt that I added. So in this, I just gave it an example, and in this context, we just used Mary Had a Little Lamb. And then I spelled out topics from each, the actual response output that I wanted. So it's the topics and the location. So sentence one, married to lamb. Then I have basically the same text that I had in the previous prompt. Once again, the only difference is I gave it a reference point or an example of what I wanted the output to be. So let's run the new prompt with the few shot. In this case, it's not necessarily technically single shot, and see what the output is. So here's what the new output. It gave us an entire list of topics that's correct and perfect. The topic changes with the location. So sentence one, Alex to dreams. And let's, we could just go back and do a quick check. Once upon a time, a quick little town, there lived a man named Alex. He also dreamt of achieving great success. So that's the transition. Dreams to success, success to determination, determination to risk-taking, risk-taking to failure. So there we have it. A quick high-level demo on topic change point detection using a pre-trained large language model. And in our instance, once again, we're using the LLama2-7B model. Thank you. 125.